My name is Massimo Maggiore. I work for the Lucille's restaurant group. I'm currently the general manager. I work in the head office. We currently have 5 restaurants. All the restaurants, the back-end operations, I improve the efficiency, anything that's gonna take care of our inventory, our scheduling, our back-end programming with our POS system. Hardest to face prior to our old inventory system was that it wasn't user-friendly.
Excel spreadsheets, putting in, seeing if you have to basically track it every day because it's a constant thing. Did everyone do their work from yesterday? So it was basically an everyday kind of commitment to go on the Excel spreadsheet.
So when first joining WISK, my initial reaction was that it was a smooth transition. It took a lot less time to get everyone on board. They were all open for it because it's an app, they could use their phone.
At the touch of our phones, we have everything available for us. We just scan the item, we go through it all in a sequence, so it's very, very well organized, everything's well counted, and I think it just really facilitates the time efficiency of everything.
They actually enjoy counting an inventory system now versus from before, because WISK is so easy. Like, I honestly didn't even have to physically be in a restaurant to show them the training, because there's just all the training tools they had through WISK, the app. There's like a step-by-step of how to proceed in taking an inventory app, and I barely had to train them one-on-one. And I know exactly who did what, which manager counted, what day, what hour. Training videos that WISK provided, which was super efficient and improved the visibility all around our restaurants. With WISK, the support is hands-on, 10 out of 10. It's as if I have a personal assistant for Lucille's, for WISK. Current reports that we do get, I'm a lot more confident when we're seeing the shareholders in meetings because I know my costs, I know the clear idea of our numbers, how to improve effective measures in order to get better numbers, better costs, because that's what we always look for. So another point with WISK, it reduced the time and the stress level that comes to day-to-day operations, which improved my efficiency on all-around operations, so I can get a global perspective on other things and put more effort and time into other perspectives than just one inventory system. So with WISK integrating with our current POS system, it tells us all the numbers, including the recipes, the reports, it tells us our costs, it tells us what's our markup, it spitballs you all the information you need in order to improve your profitability in the restaurants.
I would definitely recommend WISK. Anyone that owns a restaurant or a bar, I know, the inventory of alcohol is always a hard one, especially if you do like a free pouring kind of thing. It really keeps you up to pace, even if you're, free pour or with the leveler. I think it's a great thing. Anyone that likes organizing and being on time, on point.
It's user-friendly and it saves a lot of time in counting alcohol inventory, which is something a restaurant takes a lot of time to do.
And you don't want to lose money, and I think WISK is a way to keep your money in your pocket and have everything on yourselves at an equal state.
So it's really efficient for us, and I'd recommend it to all restaurant operators.